G2 laser line sensors are designed to capture 2D and 3D data from a moving surface. Built-in software then uses that data to make measurements and decisions for downstream processes. Let's dig into the basic technology of a G2 sensor. All G2 sensors have a laser, a receiver array, and a controller inside. Projected as a line, the laser light first diffuses on the surface being scanned. The receiver array, which is similar to a camera sensor, captures the projected light and communicates with the controller. The controller uses sensor calibration data and custom algorithms to generate height values along the laser line. To make a 3D representation of the surface, profiles are recorded and displayed in series as the surface moves under the laser line. For applications that require high speed, profiles can be recorded at a rate of up to 10,000 times per second. This optimal scan speed is reached with select sensor models, such as our 2500 family. There are many different G2 sensors to fit a wide variety of industrial applications. These sensors mostly vary in field of view and resolution, from Gocators designed for small electronics to the Gocator 2490, which can scan an entire car body with a single sensor. Sensors from the same series can easily be linked together, automatically stitching their fields of view to make one continuous scan. For specular surfaces like shiny metal or glass, a blue laser Gocator is sometimes preferred. The short wavelength light reduces speckle, which increases accuracy. For both blue and red laser sensors, filters in front of the receiver array are designed to limit the passing light to only the desired laser wavelength. This is part of the reason Gocators work well in a range of factory lighting conditions, even outdoors in direct sunlight. The accuracy and reliability of every scan is due to LMI's high-precision factory calibration. All Gocator sensors are tuned, heat-cycled, and rigorously tested at our factory in Canada to deliver out-of-the-box functionality and to ensure calibration is maintained throughout the lifetime of the product. There is a vast amount of work and technology behind every LMI sensor, with teams working continuously to develop cutting-edge hardware and software for our customers. If you have any questions about how Gocators could be useful for your application, feel free to reach out to our technical and experienced sales support team at lmi3d.com.